Graeme, big smile on your face, but all sorts of emotions this afternoon, I imagine, given the way that game swayed one way and then the other.
Yeah, pleased to get something out of it. I thought we deserved that. I think we're organisation, our understanding and mentality. I think we deserve to get something from the game, Tony. It's far from where I want to be, on the ball in particular. I thought on the turnover, first pass could have been better at times, but it was a solid place to start from, and we're looking to build and improve for as long as I'm doing this.
Were you pleased that everybody was able to knuckle down for you right from the very start? The game plan clearly worked for you until Christian Benteke popped up and put Palace in front.
Yeah, and it came from our own free kick, so you're in control of that moment. We didn't really have any direction from it, which you can't control everything in football. We had numerous opportunities to clear it, which is disappointing. It's the only mistake we've made in the game. I think Christian had a header first half, but that's Christian's profile. That's why he's been a Premier League and international footballer, because he pulls on the back shoulder and he's a threat. He's a real handful, you know. So overall, I'm really pleased. I think it was a solid performance, particularly off the ball. On the ball, I'd like to be better moving forward, but that won't come overnight.
You know Christian Benteke, obviously, from your time with Belgium, and as a coach, you know when to make the right changes. And you were poised to make 2 substitutions, you delayed it, and Callum Wilson scored that magnificent equaliser for you while they were waiting on the touchline. Yeah,
but I mean, I think, you know, I brought both boys straight on the pitch because the intention was to win the game today. I'm delighted in the end with a draw because it's given us somewhere to start from, but we wanted to win the game, so that was the reason for the subs. Callum must have thought he was being brought off. That's why he pulled one out the heart. So delighted for him.
It was a fantastic goal.
Yeah, it's his talent. That's what he's got. He's got that quality. You can't give that to people. And the most impressive thing with Callum, he normally does it on a match day. Training can be hit and miss at times, but when it matters, and there's 25, 30,000 people here, he's got that mentality to grab the moment.
And there could have been a sting in the tail. Christian Benteke with the header, but VAR doing its job, rightly ruled out for a foul.
Well, the gaffer had some difficult decisions with VAR in the last 8 games, so it was nice that one went our way, but I've looked back at it and it is a clear foul. Kieran's been pulled to the floor and then Matt Ritchie's been knocked over, so I think justice was done.
You talk about the gaffer, he's not about this week, but what's it been like with Steve Bruce missing?
For me personally, he's been a miss because he had that experience where he could oversee everything. He'd seen it before, but as I've said previously, he knows football better than anybody. You have to move forward, and I think he would have been proud of the account we give of ourselves today.
Onwards and upwards, as they say, and Chelsea next week.
Yeah, only the Champions League winners. So, but St James's Park, we need to make a fortress. So whoever comes there, we need to be ready, give the same level of mental and physical performance we did today, and we won't be far away.